Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really nice, which is this one. So this is a Bugatti Vision Gran Turismo, and this is the silver color one, and this is by Mini GT. So this one was actually a gift. It's a surprise gift from my wife because I was eyeing on this for nearly a week or so, and then she surprised me, with this and this Lamborghini Urus. I did a treasure hunt on now at midnight around like 12:30 or 12:45 at my home, just to find this. And she kept this in refrigerator under the chocolates which I normally have. Okay. So here is the box first. So here is the Bugatti logo. Okay, without further ado, let's open this one. I'm really excited to unbox this particular one because I don't have much Bugattis with me. So specifically Mini GT1, this is the first one I will be having. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the initial impressions of this particular model, it looks amazing and it looks menacing as well. The color combination on this one looks really beautiful. I don't have anything to complain, very honest. So the entire thing is actually made of metal. Let's try to put some light here. So the tires are actually made of rubber. So the rear view mirrors are actually made of silicone like they normally do. It has headlights, which are actually fiber, some kind of fiber or plastic. Wow, the detailing looks really amazing on this one. So even the small details here, the carbon fiber accents here. Wow, this looks really beautiful. I'm glad I actually got this one. Glad my wife actually bought this one for me. Wow, that looks really beautiful. Even the exhaust protruding outside, that looks really beautiful. The Bugatti logo here, that looks really nice. So everything here is actually made of metal. Nothing is plastic here. So look at the detailing here. It is really minute and it looks really nice. So I think I bought this for 499 if I'm not wrong. I can say, pretty much honestly, the price is really worth it. So even the fuel cap here, which is actually embossed, it is not just painted. You can see it here, it is actually embossed. Okay, I know Mini GT doesn't have any suspension, so it doesn't have. I really don't want to do a roll test on this, but still, let's go and see. No, no, not at all. See, one good thing about Mini GT is, the cars actually roll. But if you buy, I think GT and Para GT, these cars, those models doesn't actually roll. So Mini GT actually really does a nice job on this one, and tarmac as well in this case. Everything is really top notch in this model. Honestly, man, I really don't have anything to complain or nitpick on this one. The only thing is, this is not, this is the tail lights actually painted on that metal part. But in this case, you can't do anything for this size. so I don't mind about that. The rims looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.